welcome back to my channel. So starting off, I will be taking this yellow color from Morphe 35B palette with this large blending brush from BH Cosmetics and going to put this transition all over my crease, and going to take this light green color and going to take this Morphe M433 brush and going to diffuse this color on my crease. And going to take this green color, same palette, and going to start building up the color intensity on my crease. So yeah, I am taking the same blending brush and going back and diffusing the steps, and going to take some concealer and going to carve out my crease with it. Usually with all my cut crease looks are like that. And going to take the same green color and going to put this on the inner part of my lid, and going to take this yellow color from the Urban Decay Electric palette and going to apply this on my eyes. And going to take this green color right next to the yellow color and going to apply this color on the middle part of my lid, so we have really good transition of yellow and green. So I'm taking these Dodo lashes in D312 and going to apply it on my eyes, and going to take this new Artist Cosmetics Dapper drops and going to take this Hourglass Vanish Sticks foundation in honey and going to apply this on my face. And going to blend it out using this Real Techniques Expert face brush. And going to take this Tarte Shape Tape concealer and going to conceal my under eyes, my forehead and my nose and chin, and going to blend it out using this same brush. And going to take this Mercier translucent setting powder and set my under eyes with it. And going to contour my face using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in caramel toffee. And going to take this Caviar Illuminator from Wunder Brow Cosmetics and going to put this on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose and Cupid's bow. This is really cool highlighter. It's wet but at the same time it feels like, you know, powder as well. And going to smoke out my lower lash line with the same transition colors, and going to take this gems from Walmart and going to apply this whatever I use for my eyelash glue, and going to take this Colourpop Cosmetics Creeper Ultra Matte Lip and going to apply this on my lips. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.